In this video, let us see how to solve a linear programming problem using Excel solver. Here is a problem. Mr. Raju is newly appointed as a general manager at Kaveri Earthenware Limited. He is given assignment to maximize the profit on two products, terracotta cups and terracotta bowls, for which refined mud and labor are the two main resources. Mr. Raju finds that for the production of a terracotta cup, there's a requirement of 8 units of refined mud and 12 units of labor hours, while for the production of a terracotta bowl, there's a requirement of 12 units of refined mud and 9 units of labor hour. He observes that 240 units of refined mud and 216 hours of labor hours are available per day. There is a profit of rupees 100 and rupees 80 respectively on one terracotta cup and a terracotta bowl. Now, advise Mr. Raju to produce per day the combination of terracotta cup and terracotta bowl for the best profit mix. So, this is the problem. So, this problem can be formulated in this way. So we shall make a tabular columns. So first we shall list the resources required. So here resources required are the refined mud and the labor. And the product to be produced are the terracotta cups and the terracotta bowls. And the resources available. So as we saw in the problem, refined mud is available 240 units and the labor hours available is 216. So using this, so let us formulate the problem. Since we want to maximize the profit, let us write maximize Z is equal to. So before that, let us consider 1 unit of the terracotta cup as X and 1 unit of the terracotta bowl as either X2 or Y. So hence our maximize function will be maximize Z is equal to. So 1 unit of the terracotta cups gives them the profit of 100. So hence we shall write 100 into X. X number of cups gives them the profit as 100 into X. So similarly 80Y. So subject to the constraint is refined mud is available only 240 units and labor available is 216 units. So this will be our formulation of the given problem. Now let us see how this problem can be solved in Excel solver. So here I have whatever we have formulated, the same data is written here. So profit is mentioned, refined mud and the labor are the resources required and the resources available. So let us leave here one cell space and let us list the resources available. So after entering the data, so now let me take this cell below X and Y. Let me color this cell by using yellow color, because I want my answer to be written here. I want the solver to provide the answer here. That is why I'm writing here. I'm shading this with the yellow color. So now let us come to this space and let us use the function equal to then sum product. Then consider the function sum product. Now take this yellow shaded cell area and let us log this cell function by using F1, F4 keys in the keyboard. Then let us put a comma and then let us consider this profit 180. Let us consider this cell and let us close this and then let us put enter. So now let me put my cursor here and drag this so that we got everywhere zeros. So now let us go to data and go to Excel solver. So now now we will here we have to put set objective. We have to consider set objective. So let me take this cell will be our set objective area. So this, because our objective is to maximize the profit, so this cell is our maximize profit value. So this is our set objective cell. And then since we want to maximize the profit, let me consider here maximizing max. And then it is asking here by changing variable cell. So which is our changing variable cell? The cell I colored in yellow color is our by changing variable cell. So let me select that. And after this, select a solving method. You can select the solving method as the simplex LP. And now go to add function. So now it is asking cell reference. So take these two cell, that is the cell reference. And then since our objective function constraint was lesser than or equal to, so here you can select lesser than or equal to. And now we have to select the constraint. The constraints are 240 and 216. So let us select that. And now we can give OK. And then since it is simplex LP, yeah, it is solving method is simplex LP. It's all done. So now you can give solve. And now keep a solver solution. Yes. Now you can give OK. So now you can see that this is our profit. So now 1880 is our maximized profit. And then Raju should see that terracotta cups can be produced 6 units and terracotta bowls can be produced 16 units with the available resources. So this is how we solve the problem by using the simple Excel solver.